Think you're in control of first impressions? Guess what? People judge you in just 7 seconds. Let's see what they actually notice. Yep, just 7 seconds. That's less time than it takes to microwave your morning coffee. First impressions are all about what people see, not what you say. And let's be real, nobody's going to wait around while you rehearse your perfect opening line. So, what are the top 3 things people notice in those crucial 7 seconds? Let's dive in and find out. Your smile is like your calling card. A genuine grin can make you look like the kind of person who always has snacks in their bag. Friendly and reliable. Ever heard the saying, eyes are the windows to the soul? Well, they're also the windows to whether you're confident or just staring into space. Your posture says, I've got this. Or it could say, I've been hunched over my laptop for 5 hours straight. Stand tall, own your space. Trust me, I learned this the hard way after hunching over a desk for years. Now I'm practically a posture pro. So, how do you make those 7 seconds count? Smile like you mean it. Keep eye contact, but don't get creepy. And stand tall like you're about to give a TED Talk. And no, your quirky t-shirt won't save you if you're slouching like the Hunchback of Notre Dame. So there you have it. Your smile, eyes, and posture do all the talking in those crucial 7 seconds. What do you think people notice first about you? Drop a comment below. If this made you smile, click that like button and hit subscribe for more tips. And hey, check out my last video. It's all about the science behind the most attractive body types. I mean, who doesn't want to be scientifically attractive, right?